I tried HousingAnywherecom reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They assume booking international student or short-term housing online is risky or full of hidden fees. I tested HousingAnywherecom for a full week to see if it's truly reliable. On day 1, I searched for apartments in multiple cities. The app provides verified listings with photos, pricing, and landlord reviews. Most people ignore verification, but it's critical to avoid scams. By day 3, I reached out to a landlord. You won't believe what happens next. The response was fast, professional, and detailed. The surprising truth is that verified platforms like this can actually make international housing safer and simpler. By day 5, I simulated the booking process. Most people get this wrong by assuming all listings are guaranteed, but HousingAnywhere requires deposits and verification to ensure security. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. HousingAnywherecom Reviews app is more than a housing search tool. It's a trustworthy platform for finding safe, short-term rentals globally. Most people underestimate online housing apps, but this one delivers transparency, reliability, and peace of mind. If you're planning to study, work, or travel abroad, this app is worth trying. The shocking truth? Finding safe housing online can be stress-free when you use the right platform.